In the tech-driven world, the internet is a reliable source of income for those who explore its potential. The internet has facilitated global transactions, created a connected global community, and popularized the concept of working from home. However, despite these advancements, there are still many who haven't fully explored the financial opportunities available online. In today's video, we'll discuss the top 5 reliable and straightforward ways to make money online in 2023. If you're curious about earning income on the web, stick around until the end of the video to discover how. Number 1. Freelancing. It is very likely that you have come across this word, but have you ever paused and thought, how do I apply myself online? The good news is that freelancing is for everyone, and the category of services needed is unlimited. Every skilled person is included and needed. I would even say that freelancing falls under the most popular and reliable, as it does not require an expert's expertise and has the convenience of working on your own time and in your chosen field. Several business owners have taken to creating apps and websites to get unlimited services, increasing the chances of making money online. Many college students have taken to applying for gigs online, and a good percentage of them have been successful so far. To emphasize, there are several categories to select from: graphic design, website design, marketing, development, copyright, writing, editing, and proofreading, as well as so many other options. We're in a time where you get to select what you're most capable of doing and apply to excel in it. So many are intimidated by thinking it is a high-demand job that needs expert skill. And the most common complaint is about it being highly competitive. However, many forget the meaning of freelancing, which is to work at one's convenience, and work based on informed decisions and not imposed. For example, many writers and journalists have embraced writing, reading, and selling ebooks as an extra source of income. Freelancing so far has been the most recommended in 2023 online jobs and is not moving below the list anytime soon. Number 2, influencing. A relatable word could be socials. Many are familiar with the term internet celebrities, but have the idea that being an influencer is far from attainable, especially based on their social classification of either being introverted or extroverted. Do not get it wrong. Is it as easy as ABC? Absolutely not. But can it be managed and sustainable long-term? Very much so. There is more to it than it meets the eye in being a media personality. There's a chance to be a marketing ambassador, moral representative, public figure, religious figure, activist, lifestyle figure, or whichever content community you're interested in being a part of. The key is to just get started and take it one day or one task at a time. On to the lurking question of how people make money through online influencing. Many social influencers make money online through sponsored content of a brand, a product ad, and affiliate marketing using special links and codes, photos, and videos to mention a few. There are tons of means that disregard the myth of influencers living from hand to mouth. The startup beginner's period might not be a walk in the park, but no job is easy, and with resilience, it would be more than worth it. The key to success in influencing is making sure you are interested and invested. Number 3, selling your craft. In 2023, social media has the world so globalized that physical border problems have been greatly reduced. For new entrepreneurs, online sales are the best avenue to have a regular flow of customers interested in purchasing your products. It is like having more advantages with less stress and less capital. It is no news that the internet is a place where everything sells for both large companies and small business owners. If you have hands-on skills such as knitting, pottery, baking, hair braiding, sewing, then using the internet as a means to promote your business, increase your product awareness, and increase your sales list is a fantastic idea. Think of it as monetizing your hobby. Simply put, this is the phenomenon of doing what you love at a comfortable pace and making money from it. It becomes an even bigger deal when your craft is unique or has customized options. Many people shy away from being a franchise sheep and try to have something more personal or suited to their needs. Having handmade products with unique quality is a money-making opportunity in 2023. Another way of making money from your craft online is through online training. This form of skill acquisition is becoming increasingly popular. Many have taken to the internet to learn new skills. As an experienced person in your craft, it is not far-fetched to become an online tutor to beginners. It not only serves as an avenue to make money, but also a platform for you to share the joy and knowledge of your craft with someone new. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is currently on the rise among bloggers, influencers, and content creators who already have a reliable audience. Although it can be restrictive to new media personalities, it is very much a reliable means of making money online. Several businesses search for public figures with a strong or loyal fan base to promote their product awareness. It is usually done by having special purchasing links or codes, and the media personality gets a commission for the product referral, usually based on the number of new clients. Affiliate marketing predictably has been declared to be an effective content marketing strategy, and is increasing in popularity. The key to making substantial income is having a solid audience. However, regular netizens are not being restricted to other forms of online sales. It is not mandatory to be well known to make money online in 2023. There is an alternative, being a reseller. Simply put, a reseller sells existing products at a higher price and a faster pace. The key to being a successful reseller is to provide good visual stimulation for your resell. It could be in any form: clothes, bags, shoes, hardware, kitchenware, skincare products, vintages, being a distributor or a wholesaler, being an online brand representative. As a tip, it is advised to pick most resell products that are required or familiar to your region and have a few other products as exotic products that are not readily available in your region. Many resellers get contracts with brands in the long run. Many individuals are also very involved in dropshipping as a way to make money online. To explain better, dropshipping is the direct sale and delivery from vendors to customers without middlemen or intermediaries. The vendor is responsible for customer service and driving traffic. Dropshipping has been rated as a good way to make money. Number 5, social media. Quite a few people have learned the trick of monetizing social media accounts. Some of the content is based on virtual realities, funny videos, dance videos, trending videos, YouTube channels, podcast channels, and live streams, to mention a few. Usually, the requirement to monetize these accounts is having over 1,000 followers, which then opens the opportunity for paid product placement, being a brand ambassador, authentic content, online relevance, and so on. Aside from brand products, there is also the opportunity to promote your personal brand and increase your client list. Find the content you are great at and specialize in it. Let it be your trademark and grow your audience from it. Another means is live streaming on popular apps, such as Instagram and Twitch, and having first-hand communication with your audience. Money is mostly earned through fan donations, brand sponsorships, reselling or selling your crafts, and audience subscriptions to your website or channel. Podcasts did not become a thing overnight, despite the fact that millions of people listen to them on a daily basis, and the number of listeners continues to grow. Some hosts have comedy talks, news talks, opinions, debates, and pressing matters. If you love informative and long talks with an active audience, then this is the online money-making strategy for you. The requirements are not so different from each other. Finding a platform that works perfectly for you should be the first order of things. Making money online in 2023 is a development that skyrocketed and has worked out for many looking for means to flexible jobs and part-time jobs. Among the several, this list contains the most reliable and efficient. What are your thoughts on the ways to make money online in 2023? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.